Newegg launched its 11th annual Fontas Tech Sale, one of the company's biggest sales events of the year. The sale, which runs from July 7th through July 13th, features thousands of PC and tech deals across Newegg.com and Newegg.ca, spanning more than 50 product categories and offering deep discounts on everything from gaming laptops and desktop PCs to components, peripherals, and storage. According to Stephen Chien, VP of Product Management at Newegg, Fontas Tech has become a summer tradition for many PC builders and gamers, and the company is excited to bring these savings to customers for the 11th year in a row. This year's sale includes next-gen components and incredible deals, making it the perfect time for customers to build their dream PC. Newegg's Fontas Tech Price Protection Program is also back, and for the first time, it has been extended to include select items in the earlier Independence Day and Canada Day sales. This means that customers who purchased eligible products with the Fontas Tech Price Protection Badge from June 30th through July 6th will automatically receive a refund if the item's price drops on Newegg.com or Newegg.ca before July 13th. The Fontas Tech Price Protection Program provides customers with peace of mind while shopping, as they know they will receive an automatic refund if the price of an eligible product drops after their purchase. There is no need for customers to track prices or file claims, as Newegg's internal systems will handle all eligible refunds. In addition to the Fontas Tech sale, Newegg is also offering a special deal for Newegg Store credit card holders who can get $15 off their purchase when they spend $150 plus with their card using promo code TECH15OFF. The sale also features a range of deals on desktop PCs, laptops, PC components, storage, peripherals, gaming gear, and more, including a $599.99 ABS gaming PC equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, available while supplies last. All customers on Newegg.com and Newegg.ca are automatically enrolled in the Fontas Tech Price Protection Program during the eligible period, and there is no membership required to participate. Refunds will be issued to the original payment method by July 22, 2025, with email confirmations sent upon processing. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.